week 6 YouTube video. What are some things you might consider implementing in order to minimize cyberbullying in the schools? Really glad you asked this question. That it asked this question. A couple things that I think when I'm sitting there, I'm also a substitute teacher. When I'm sitting there and I'm wondering, and they're on their laptops or their Chromebooks or their iPads, I'm thinking like, what are they doing? I'm sitting in the front of the room. I walk around. They see me start to walk around. They're good enough with the computers. They can switch them. Um, I wish I had somebody could come up with something, and I'm pretty sure it's probably already been out there, that you can just, all the Chromebooks are numbered. So I had some sort of, on my computer in the front, I could just press that number and whatever they had would just pop up on the screen. It would just let me know, like, oh, hey, they're supposed to be on Google Docs writing something up, and it just pops up. Next thing you know, they're on ESPN, they're on YouTube, they're on something they're not supposed to be on. So I think that with the cyberbullying, it can be the same way. If they're doing it on the school's computers, you can put in some sort of I guess algorithm calculation, something where they can where they can it'll bring it up, special words, something like fat or ugly or whore or bitch, something like that, where it would just pop up on somebody's screen, whoever's in charge of it, probably maybe the counselor or somebody like that, whoever's in charge of security, maybe somebody of that nature, and it will just pop up and let you know that, hey, this student wrote a letter or a message to this other student calling her a big fat whore or anything that would, you got to put certain words in there, um, that would know that, hey, they're doing it. Now, if it's on Facebook or something like that, um, or if it's on social media, or then there just needs to be more counseling, not one-on-one counseling, but just more education. There needs to be more education on this stuff. Letting people know that cyberbullying and just bullying in general isn't right. And just like with the football player Martin last week, um, he was bullied in high school. He was bullied in the NFL, and he put on his. Thank goodness they caught it. But he put on his social media page that he was about to go back to his old school with a shotgun. Um, it's just crazy world we live in now. But thankfully, it got caught. So yeah, some sort of algorithm, something like that, that could take care of it. Week 6.